Do you load up or at this point lighten up on stocks?
I've been telling people ever since the beginning of the year, which you began with back-to-back 90% upside volume days, meaning that 90% of the total volume traded came on the upside. Back-to-back 90% upside volume days are pretty rare, and the history of them is that the S&P is up 6.1% 1 month later, 83% of the time, and 12.8% higher 3 months later, 100% of the time. So I have been telling our clients and our financial advisors that you buy the pauses and you buy the dips, and one of the things that I think has not been discussed a whole lot is that the transportation average made a new all-time forever high last month in January, and that the Dow Industrials are very close to doing the same thing. And if the Dow betters its all-time high, which was made on October 9th of 2007 at 14,164.53, you'll have another confirmation of a Dow Theory buy signal suggesting that we might just be in a new secular multi-year bull market.
What's supporting this change in the market dynamics? What's driving stocks? I mean, beyond the obvious, what's happening beneath the surface?
Well, earnings have tended to come in better than the analysts had suggested they would over the past few quarters. You've got a lot of underinvested endowment funds, pension funds, retail investors are underinvested for the most part. You've got a very strong recovery in the automobile space. The two sectors that have typically pulled the U.S. economy out of soft spots have been housing and automobiles. And autos have done their job. You've gone from about a 7 million annualized run rate in 2008 to a 15.5 million annualized run rate this year that they're expecting. And yet the average life of the fleet in this country is still 12 years. So you should still get a pull forward out of the automotive space. Now you've got housing and multifamily housing coming on, and coming on stronger than most people expect. So I think the combination of those are going to prove to show stronger than expected GDP figures as we get into the back half of the year, and therefore I think you'll continue to get earnings surprises on the upside.